to look it because we searching everybody around here.
You possess of any explosives?
Nope, just this bomb-ass pussy.
It's actually brand new. I just got it from the store.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Deported. Oh, sweet Jesus. Definitely deported. Deported.
Oh, wait, look, I want to have sex. Just send me to Australia.
That can be arranged.
Is he supposed to be sleeping?
Back check.
I just have a laptop.
Safety algorithm for an extensive anal cavity search. I have 911 reasons not to trust this guy.
Please turn your cellular and electronic devices to airplane setting. Hey, fuck that! I'd rather die than turn my shit off. Quick, we saw service!
Oh shit, we're going the wrong way.
Oh my goodness, I believe we are going in the wrong direction.
We gotta flip a bitch.
Coming about!
We are getting major satellite interference for some reason.
It's the cell phone! They didn't turn off their cell phone!
Everyone knows that you put your phone in airplane mode.
Hey, you fucking turn off the fucking phone!
Hey, boys. Oh my god. I am so sorry. Jesus Christ, you're gonna suck his dick all the way to Australia? Oh my god.
This is great service.
With the squatty potty, you get complete elimination. Missing unicorn.
I can't, it won't let me! Ah, my doctor's in a shirt!
Hey guys, it's Connor. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to land a passenger jet. All you have to do is pay attention and let off your stupid video. Leave me alone, Becky!
Fuck you, Becky!
I'm telling Mom about your abortion! Fuck you! Listen.
Turn the knob.
Okay.
Fuck the baby, I don't want to die. Once you've landed, you're going to want to hit the brakes with both feet.